The topic of this video is Python strings. We will learn about the strings of Python here. Strings are arrays in Python. There are many other programming languages where character data types are available, but in Python character data type is not available. So a character in Python is also a string of length 1. We can print a string using print Delhi. The string will be in double inverted comma, so we can print this. So now let's see what happens. It will print Delhi. String can be used by single quote also. So in Python, single quote or double quote, it doesn't matter, it will be detected as a string. So let's see. So here the same output. Now assigning a value to of a string. Let a equal to Delhi, and then we will print the variable a. The output will be Delhi. So the same output when we assign a variable of string to Delhi. Now multi-line string. So to denote a multi-line string, we have to mention it with double inverted comma or single inverted comma 3 times. So start with 3 double inverted comma and ending with 3 double inverted comma. It will denote that it is a multi-line string. So here we print the length of the string and then print the string. Now let's see. So the length of the string is 68 and the print string is multi-line string. Now when we want to look through the values of this string, so this is an array-like structure, structure in Python. So this is a for x in a, that is for each of the values in a, print x. So it will print DELHI. So DELHI. Now if we want to check if a string is present in the string or not, now let the string be Delhi is the capital of India, Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Now we check India is present in A or not. It will give us the true or false value. So it is true. The India is present in the given string. There is another condition, that is not in A. So it will, if it is not in A, it will print true. If it is present in A, it will print false. So here India is present, so the condition India not in A is false. So it will give out the output false. So it is false. But if element is not present in the string, it will satisfy the condition, that is Mumbai is not present in the string. So Mumbai is not in A, it is true. It will give us the output true. So that is true. We can do this experiment with if condition also. If Bengal is present in A, that is if Bengal in A, print yes, Bengal is present. The output will be yes, Bengal is present. But when we print if Bengal is not in A, print no Bengal is not present. Here this condition does not work, so it will not go to this line and print nothing. So let's check. So it will print nothing. Now if it is checking another thing that is not present in A, the Bihar is not present in A, then no Bihar is not present will be printed. So let's check. Yes, it will print Bihar is not present. So here the condition is true, that is not in A. Now how can we access the elements of a string? We can access an element using an index, that is A2. A2 will be the string elements also starts with 0 indexing, 0, 1, 2. A2 is L. 2 to 5 will be L, 2, 3H, I, 4. So before 5, H, L, H, I will be present from 2 before 5. Print A colon 5. This means starts from the starting of the string and end before 5. This means starts from 5 and end up to the end of the string. There is also present minus indexing. Minus indexing means this means -1, this means -2, -3, -4, -5. It will start from this and end before -2, that is -1, -2. So it will print ENG. Let's check. So A2 is L, A2 to 5 is LHI, A colon 5 will be from starting to before 5, that is DELHI, colon print A 5 colon nothing, that is print till the end, that is it will start from the space here and then ends up to the ending of the string. Then minus indexing -5 to -2, that will print N. You will all check with your own machine. Now modifying it. Modifying a string. We can modify the string using .upper method. This method will show the string in uppercase. .lower method show the output in lowercase. Let's see. So first all of this is in capital letter and in second case all of this in small letter. Here in this string we are placing some space here. Now we print a.strip. A.strip method deletes space from beginning or end. So this will delete these spaces. Let's see. It deletes the space from starting but not within the words. We can replace a string by a string. So we can replace here small c with capital C. It can be a string also. We are replacing with a character, but it can be a string also. So we are replacing small c with capital C. So capital C will be in capital letter. Let's see. So here with the space, capital C will be printed. Now we can split a string using the split method. So here we split the method with a dot. So let's see what happens. It will split two lines into strings. So this is a string, one string, then second string. So it is splitted with the dot. So this one is one string and this one is another string. It is kept in a list. We can split in this way also. A dot split with space. Now print B. Let's see what happens. So every space, there is no character here, only there are space, so there are separate string, blank strings. Now Delhi is the capital. All of the words are separated using this command when we split with space. So here India dot Kolkata is not separated because here we do not give a space here. Here we give a new line, so it takes the new line here and print as it is, and it kept it as it is with new line character. We can join two strings like A plus B. A is Delhi, B is Kolkata. A plus B equal to C. Now let's see what happens. It will print Delhi Kolkata without any space. If we want to give space, we can add one string here with space. This will print with space. So we can join two variables and also a constant string within a inverted comma. We can add as many as strings with this plus sign. Now format method. Format method is a method which can join a string with a number. In Python, we cannot join a string with a number using only simple plus. So we can join this with format method. So here size is 30, size variable is 30, a variable is a string. Here this is a placeholder. In this placeholder we have to pass the variable here. So a dot format, from this string a dot format, size will be printed in the placeholder. So format will take arguments and these arguments are placed in the appropriate placeholders. Let's see. So the ruler is 30 cm long. So here we can see that the ruler is basis cm long. Here the size is placed in place of this placeholder's value. Now if we have multiple arguments, if we have to print multiple arguments, that is the string have many placeholders, that means many number values. So here we can declare those variables as it is, then the string with placeholders, and then format the string A with length, breadth and height. So length will be placed here, breadth will be placed here, height will be placed here. Let's see. The ruler's length is 30 cm, breadth is 4 cm and height is 0.5 cm. So in this way we can put multiple variables in one string. We can also, here there may be a confusion which variable is in which position. So let us keep it for example. So here we are placing the 0th element first, the second element last and the third element in the second. So we can change the argument's place according to this index value. So if we put the values in the placeholders, it will take as the index of these arguments and goes to the string. So now let's see. First we will put in this format and then we will place this with the rearranged form. Ruler's length is, the breadth is 0.5 cm and the height is 4 cm. So like this we can change the format, change the arrangement of these arguments using the index value of the placeholders. So in this way we can use strings in Python. We will do more things on string in our next upcoming video. We will get the details of the methods available in string in the next video. Today is up to this. Thank you for watching this video.